Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to take care of your PAP device. Start by wiping the outside of your device with a lightly damp microfiber cloth. Wipe around the device and on the screen to get rid of oily fingerprints. You may then wipe the device with a dry microfiber cloth. Replacing your filter regularly will prolong the life of your motor and prevent respiratory issues. The filter is located at the back of your device and should be replaced with a new clean filter every month. It is not recommended to make your own filters from other materials for use, which may lead to respiratory issues. Next, cleaning the humidifier tank every other day. Have the following items at hand: a dry towel, a non-shedding microfiber cloth, a tub of warm dish soap water for cleaning along with a tub of clean cold water for rinsing. Submerge your humidifier tank in the soapy water. Then use your microfiber cloth to wash the inside of the tank. Use an earbud and go through the corners of your tank to remove any dirt or mineral buildup. Finally, rinse your tank through with clean cold water. Lightly shake off the excess water and set the tank open face down on the towel out of direct sunlight and allow it to air dry. We will now clean the cpap hose. This can be done weekly. Start by submerging the hose in your prepared dish soap water. Allow the hose to fill with the soapy water. Grab the two ends of the hose and move each side up and down opposite each hand so that the inside is rinsed through. Empty out the hose and rinse with clean cold water. Shake out excess water. Place the tube on a towel rack to air dry out of direct sunlight. Cleaning of your cpap mask. This can be done every 1 to 2 weeks. Start by disassembling the mask. Remove the headgear and gently hand wash in warm, mild, soapy water. Then rinse the headgear in clean cold water and hang to air dry. Do not wring out the headgear. Remove the hose connector and the cushion pad from the frame. Submerge the frame in mild soapy water. Rinse with cold, clean water when done, and let air dry. Place the hose connector into soapy water and rinse in clean water, and let air dry. Lastly, clean the cushion pad every day. You can either wipe it with a neutral baby wipe or wash in mild soapy water. Make sure to gently wipe under the inside of the cushion and cup as well as the outside. Submerge the cushion pad into warm, soapy water. Then rinse with cold, clean water when done, and let air dry.